What's up, guys? Sonny the Badger here. So as most of you know, we were supposed to be in North Carolina this weekend. We opted out because it looks like it's just raining down there. So Momma Badger left me, abandoned me. She went shopping today with her friend Sam. So a bunch of people have told us about an event that's a little over an hour from me. It's called Shovelfest. It's here in Missouri. I have never been to it, but a few people I know, Mike riding the Ozarks, really loves the event. So Momma Badger is sending me there, unsupervised. I'm not sure sending me to see a bunch of old bikes, which maybe some of them are for sale, is a great idea, but it's her fault. She's the one sending me. So let's go check it out. What's up, guys? So I'm here at Shovelfest. See all the shovels? All the shovels? There are shovels everywhere. I've never seen this many shovels in one location. Let's check them out.
Hot girls and cold beer, nothing out there compares. Not an 8-foot but the mudded up trucks, dirt roads or John Deere's. Skinny dipping in a water hole, smallmouth bass on a fishing pole. All that's good for what I need right now, right here, is hot girls and cold beer. Yeah, there's nothing like a blue-eyed Daisy Duke wearing tight shorts, dancing up on a bar, slowly sipping down an ice cold natty light, putting the hurting on my heart. Every guy will testify all the good times that they've had. We'll thank the good Lord with every prayer, 'cause life ain't all that bad with hot girls.
All right, guys, you saw all the shovels. Pick your favorite one. Put it in the comments below. As you can see, parking lot's pretty full. Quite a few people here to check them all out. And that's it. That's Shovelfest. There's all the shovels. And again, pick your favorite one out. Put it in the comments below. See ya.